I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by removing every decimal point from the numbers you will multiply. Write each number as a whole integer and multiply normally as integers. Next, count the number of decimal places in the first number. Then count the number of decimal places in the second number. Add those two counts together to get the total decimal places you will need. Finally, place the decimal in the integer product by moving the decimal point left by that total number. Do an example to make the rules clear and practical for you. For 3, 4 times 0. 25, remove decimals to get 34 times 25 equals 850. Count decimal places. 3, 4 has 1 and 0. 25 has 2, so 3 total. Move the decimal 3 places left in 850 to get 0. 85 as the final answer. For 0, 0 3 times 0. 2. Remove decimals to get 3 times 2 equals 6, and then move 3 places left to get 0. 0 0 6. Use quick estimation to check your answer and avoid mistakes with decimal placement. For example, round 3. 4 to 3 and multiply by 0. 25 to estimate about 0. 75. Remember that multiplying by 10 moves the decimal 1 place to the right. Multiplying by 100 moves the decimal 2 places to the right for exact shifts. Also check the signs separately. 2 negatives make a positive, and 1 negative makes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.